Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Facebook Professional Dashboard not loading or not opening problem. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it loads. After that, open up your App Store and then in the search bar, search for Facebook. Once you search for it, tap onto it. And if it says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. And after you do that, head back to your home screen and then open up your Facebook. Once you open it up, log into your account. Once logged in, you need to go ahead and simply tap on your profile right over here. Then tap on your name. Then inside here, simply tap on this three dot and then turn off professional mode. After you turn it off, simply turn it back on. This refreshes the dashboard. Head back to settings again, scroll below, tap on logout. Once logged out, log back in again. This forces Facebook to reload your dashboard settings. Also, you can try Facebook Lite or Facebook Web. If the dashboard still does not open, you can simply install Facebook Lite or open Facebook on your browser. The professional dashboard sometimes loads there even when the app is glitching. And as a last resort, uninstall Facebook application and then reinstall it from the App Store. This resets corrupted app files. That's it. One of these steps should fix Facebook Professional Dashboard not opening problem. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.